Okay, hey guys, so today I am here to tell you guys how I get this hairstyle I've been wearing for the past 2 days. A lot of people have been asking about it and a lot of people have been thinking this is my natural hair, so I just wanted to come and just tell you guys it's not my natural hair. I got these ponytails from samsbeauty.com. That is the online beauty supply that I use. I get a whole bunch of things from that website, so I'm gonna show you guys some of the other things that I've gotten from that website, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I got this look. So yeah, all the links will be in the description box. Don't forget to check them out. Also, as always, I have been using my Coldest water bottle. Make sure that you guys check this out. The link is in the description box. I just ran out. Ooh, a little bit left. This always keeps my stuff cold. I've been sitting here like recording. I've been sitting here doing a bunch of stuff, so my mouth is a little bit dry. Excuse me. But yeah, link in the description box for my Coldest water bottle. I literally always have that handy. It always comes in handy when I'm doing filming and stuff like that. So yeah, but some other stuff that I got from Sam's Beauty recently. I finally got a canvas head. This is a head for making wigs. So like people use these to make wigs. They're a lot better than the styrofoam heads, but I was using a styrofoam head for the longest. I finally went ahead and got one of these from Sam's Beauty. I'm so glad I was able to get this. To go along with making the wigs, I got some wig caps. I haven't really been leaving the house much due to Corona and everything like that, so it comes in handy to just be able to order them online. They're pretty much the same price. When you order a certain amount of stuff, you get free shipping, so it's like the same, but it just comes directly to my house. So I also got some wig caps too. These ended up being on sale, so it was like buy one get one free or something like that. So I got a bunch of those. Y'all know I wear wigs all the time, so I'm always needing wig caps. Like this is basically like a build a wig kit. I also got some T-pins for my wig head too. And I got some wrapping foam. I've used a few kinds of wrapping foams from Sam's Beauty. I always just want to see like what ends up working best. Besides these things that I have here, I have also tried wigs from Sam's Beauty too. I've pretty much tried everything. Like I feel like I've tried everything from Sam's Beauty. They have got to be, they have hair dye, they have all the essentials that you'll need, including these ponytails. So I ordered 2 of the same kind of ponytails from Sam's Beauty in my last order because I wanted to do a look like this, and these ponytails actually work perfect. Everybody has thought that this was my natural hair. Everybody wants to know how I've been doing this hairstyle and how I got my curls so defined, and they're literally just some drawstring ponytails. Mind you, these were super duper affordable, which is why I got 2 of them to try this hairstyle. So I'm really happy that I was able to find these. Sam's Beauty is a lifesaver. They literally help me out when I don't feel like going to the beauty supply. Mind you, our beauty supplies are kind of limited here in Vegas. We don't really have the best variety, so it really helps me out with stuff like that. And I don't have to worry about walking around looking through stuff. I can just sit and scroll. So I will leave the links for Sam's Beauty for everything that I purchased, as well as to their main site, down in the description box. I'm going to link my girl Tiffany's edge control, where you guys can view this and possibly purchase. I use her edge control, and yeah, my edges are select, period. One of my cousins wanted me to mention my lip color in this video also, just because I got ready on live. If you guys are following me on Instagram, I have been going on live on 2 new apps where I go live all the time, like every other day, literally all the time. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so you guys can like get the links. I'll also try to link them down in the description box. But my lipstick is Fenty Mademoiselle in Griselda. I got this sample from Sephora so long ago and never tried it, but now since it's fall, since it's getting like cooler, it's not that cool here in Vegas, I decided it would be a good time to try it. So they liked it a lot. I mean, I like it a lot too. I like changing up my colors because I usually just stick to nude all the time. And then I used this Sistar Smooth Touch Auto Lip Liner. So I have done a video using like all Sistar products. This one, I believe, I don't remember what the color is called, but the color looks just like this. It's like a purple plum color. So yeah, I used that to line my lips, and I put the Fenty in the middle. period. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys like this style and this video. So the look is actually really easy. It just took me some time to figure out how to do certain things. I'm kind of cheating right now just based on the fact that I have my hair already like sectioned out and stuff, but I've been wearing these ponytails for a while, so I'm gonna just go through and kind of like tell you guys what I did so then you guys can do it. I didn't want to take my hair all the way down just to show you guys because it's really pretty simple. So I split my hair down the middle. I didn't like do it super intricate or anything. I didn't even look in the mirror. I just split it down the middle with a rat tail comb and put it into sections. Then I made a triangle right here in the front, and I kind of put this to the side. I gelled down my two ponytails and put them in ponytail holders, so just kind of put those away. And then I smoothed my swoop part into this other side, and then I put a ponytail holder on this side. Cool. So a big issue that I was having was getting my swoop to swoop without it reverting back. So anybody that has natural hair, you know, like once you touch your hair with certain products, it's just gonna wave up. So I tried the first time to do this with gel. Big mistake. It really wasn't working out. I was really getting frustrated and everything with the swoop. So I figured out a better way to do so to where it really won't bring the texture out of your hair. As you can see the waves in my hair a little bit, but it's not waving up so much that it doesn't stick and lay in the section that we want to stay in. So for this, you're gonna need some type of hairspray. I am gonna use GANGGG. Y'all know this is like the old faithful at this point, and I'm gonna use this liquid spritz. It is the Fantasia liquid mousse. I'm gonna use these two to smooth down my swoop. So basically you're going to at least want to blow dry or flat iron the front portion of your hair. Even if you don't do the back, just make sure this is like at least a little smooth on this top layer. And yeah, you're also gonna need some bobby pins. So I braided this side down. I had this side was coming loose, so I decided I would use this to show you guys. You're just gonna braid these pigtails. So we have these both braided in the back. So then you're basically just going to wrap these around. So what you're gonna do is you're going to just take the GANGGG and you're gonna take the spritz and you're gonna spray it along your bang swoop area, and then you're just going to smooth it down. So I just sprayed this in here. You use any kind of brush, it doesn't necessarily have to be an edge brush. I'm using Eco Styler gel for the back of my hair because you know you get these little kitchen flyaways. So I'm gonna just gel that up. My girl Tiffany, she sent me some of her edge control that she came out with. My girl moved to Korea temporarily while her wife is, you know, stationed out there, and my girl been on her grizzly. Like, she started this edge control. Oh, she also gave me an edge, like a silk edge thing. So yeah, we're gonna try this on my edges. I'm gonna do my baby hairs and edges, and I'm gonna do my sideburns. So just get a little of this. Y'all, I haven't used edge control in such a long time. I've literally just been using like Got To Be, and she had the best reviews for this. So period. It took the waves like right out of the hairline over here. And then we're just going to tie her up. So I'm just gonna give this a few minutes and then I'll be back. I am going to take this off. Boom. So we have it looking very sleek. This side came off, like came loose, but we go. So what I did was when I went to Sam's Beauty, I got 2 of the same style of ponytail. These were the Envy Go-Go drawstring ponytails. The item number is WP056 and they're in the color 4. This is just what they had on there, so I got that color. My hair isn't like a black, so like this actually matches my hair. So this is all I've been doing. I just go in there, I stick the combs at the top. I adjust the drawstring. And then I stick this other one at the bottom and tighten it. Then I wrap the drawstring around. Period. So everybody has been thinking that this is like my natural hair, which I didn't expect. So that's the only reason why I'm making this video, just to show you guys that it's very easy and you guys can get this look too. People was asking me for like a natural hair care routine and how do I define my curls. I'm like, yo, all I did was order these ponytails and put them in. So yeah, it's as easy as sticking the combs in. Ouch. Just a tip, if you have pieces that show your skin, what you could do is take some black eyeshadow and just go in and fill them in, because it looks good when it's just more like sleek across. But yeah, that is how I've been getting this look. I got these new clips from Shop Avenue K. These are like smiley faces, and I have these 2020 clips. I will leave the link in the description box for these. When I do swoops, I like to put the clips over here. I feel like they go perfect. But yeah, so period, this is how you get the look. This is all that I've been doing to get this look. It is not my natural hair at all. Anybody could get this look. Anybody can accomplish it. My hair is natural. I don't have a relaxer or anything. So it's all a matter of just getting the right products that work for you. I will leave the links in the description box for everything. Like I said, I'll leave the links to where you can get these ponytails from and where you can get everything else that I mentioned in this video. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget to stream my song WTFGO. Turn on your notifications. Set them to all so you don't miss an upload. Definitely follow me on Instagram at GANGGG with 3 O's. My new Snapchat is Dymond with 3 O's. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.